Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the HMRC app. First, download the official HMRC app from your device's app store, ensuring it's the correct one. Once installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have a government gateway user ID and password, you can use those credentials to log in directly. Otherwise, you'll need to register for a new account, which is a straightforward process. To create your HMRC account, you'll first need to set up a government gateway account online. Visit the official Gov. UK website and select the option to create new sign-in details. You'll provide your email, verify it with a code, then enter your full name and create a secure password. HMRC will then issue you a unique 12-digit government gateway user ID, which is essential for accessing the app. Remember to keep this ID safe for future logins. Once your account is set up and you've logged into the app for the first time, you can enable quick access methods like a 6-digit PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Inside, you'll find various features to manage your tax affairs. You can easily check your current tax code, view your income and national insurance contributions, and even track the status of forms you've sent to HMRC. It's designed to make managing your taxes simple and efficient. The HMRC app prioritizes your security, using encryption and offering biometric login options like Face ID or fingerprint recognition to protect your data. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the app provides access to HMRC Digital Assistant, and you can often be transferred to a web chat with an advisor for more personalized help. Remember, keeping your app updated and using strong, unique passwords are key to protecting your financial information. For more great deals and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links. We want to ensure you have all the resources you need for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.